welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra Jolie and this is Joli TV. We are on Vlogmas day 10, y'all. I'm hyped because I'm pushing through. A lot of my YouTube friends are pushing through too. I'm so proud of you guys. But anyway, since it's Vlogmas 10, I wanted to do a hot chocolate recipe just like I did my video with the Christmas sangria, which was Vlogmas day 1. If you didn't catch that, I will put it up here somewhere in the info card, so don't hesitate to click that and rewind and watch it back, okay? So today we're gonna do a hot chocolate recipe. You guys are about to go to the store with me so I can pick up a few of the ingredients that we need. Y'all, this hot chocolate, the recipe I came up with is bomb, honey, bomb.com. It's creamy, it's chocolatey, it's everything you want your hot chocolate to taste like. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go to the store and pick up these things, and then we're gonna go ahead and make that, okay? Happy holidays, everybody. Okay guys, so I made it into Aldi. I'm getting the some of the ingredients here, and I might be going to Walmart. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'll probably find everything here at Aldi, but I get everything on a budget, okay? So right now I got the milk chocolate chips. That's gonna go in my hot chocolate recipe, and I usually use almond milk and half and half. So I want to get like a little almond milk. I don't even know if they have one. Use any creamer you like. You can do half and half if you want to keep it simple. I got this real milk and cream and this sweet cream, and I also got my almond milk and my whipped cream to go on top. Should I do marshmallows? Let's do, excuse me, love. Alright, I think I'm gonna do marshmallows. Guys, I'll see you when I stop to, when I get to my sister's house. I'm gonna make the chocolate at her house as usual because I have to go there anyway. So kill two birds with one stone. So I'll see you guys at Ashley's. Now remember I told you I don't measure stuff, so I'm so sorry. But just do it till you like it. You know how much chocolate you want yourself. So I put the chocolate syrup in the pot. And after I add the chocolate syrup, I like to pour in the chocolate chips. Don't want to let it boil, you just want it to get a little hot. When you start seeing the little bubbles at the top, you want to go ahead and turn it low so it can simmer. But you want this to cook so it can cook all together. So this is what it looks like right now. In the mug, what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of the chocolate chip. Coming back to my hot chocolate and I'm whisking it. Do you guys see how milky that looks? It's so good. Oh, I thought you didn't like hot chocolate. It made me thirsty because it's so chocolatey. Look, she like it, y'all. Let me see the top. Shut up, Preston. That is my hot chocolate, y'all. Ashley approved, and she don't even like hot chocolate. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been real. This hot chocolate is real. That shot of Nouveau don't even taste like anything. Nouveau Red Velvet. Okay, that's what made that hot chocolate taste bomb. That's an adult hot chocolate. But y'all stay tuned for the next video, which comes out tomorrow.
Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle, ring.